Hello, Ovimark here. So in my previous video, a lot of people came asking me questions about 86W and 86Z, if they are the same, and if they can own an account on 86W and then also on 86Z. Now, my quick answer to that is yes. 86W and 86Z are only platforms owned by the company 86 Football. 86W and 86Z are two different platforms, and you're free to own accounts on either of them or both of them at the same time. Now, I am fervent with 86Z. I have used that platform. I have gone through the guidelines and policies and procedures and rules. Never at any point have I come across any rule which states that if you're a member of 86W, then you cannot use 86Z. Now, what does that bring to you? For as many of you who are with 86W and you also wish to have an account with 86Z, you are very, very free to do that. I don't think there's any law holding you back. So guys, go ahead and register with 86Z if you haven't done that already. I'm going to leave my link in the description page of this video somewhere down there. Please go register with my link, and then when you're done registering, make sure you fund your account. Okay, deposit money into your account. With that money you've deposited, you can take trades. If you do not deposit money into your account, if you only register, you won't profit anything. As a matter of fact, it's as good as not registering. So after registering with my link, the next thing you want to do is deposit. For as many who have gone to that stage and they want to deposit, please contact me. I'm going to leave my contact, my WhatsApp number also in the description page of this video. Please click on that spot down there and then contact me. I'm going to put you through on how you can fund your 86Z account and how you can start profiting from it as soon as possible. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button just below the video, somewhere down there too. Also click the bell icon so that anytime I post new videos, you can be amongst the first to be notified. The bell icon is just somewhere down there too, close to the subscription button. All right, like the video, share it, and drop your comments in the comment section below. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, guys, keep winning this year and never have a loser's mentality. I'll see you around. Until then, have fun.